So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the WhatsApp chat backup not working on your iPhone. Now for example, if you open the WhatsApp, go to WhatsApp settings, go to chats, and here you'll see this option of chat backup. And if it is not working from here, that says you might have multiple issues from your backup. There is one primary reason to that. That means your iCloud is completely full. Now you can easily check that just by opening the settings of your iPhone, and in the settings here you'll see this option that says iCloud storage almost full. So simply open the iCloud and empty some storage as you want by deleting some unwanted images that have been backed up, or you can add some extra space by paying something, and you'll easily able to back up your chats from WhatsApp. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.